Hello there. I have a science experiment to do today, and it's very gloomy outside, so it's the perfect day to do the tornado experiment. So you need 2 bottles, and you probably don't have a nifty connector like I do, but if you get some packing tape and you just wrap it around, make sure you use a lot, otherwise you're going to get some leakage. Make sure you do that really good. So here we go. We're going to twist this around and then spin. Okay, let's see. Did I spin it enough? There we go. Can you see that? There it is. Tornado! Oh, and now it's stopped. But as you can see, the water goes down into the bottom. Sometimes you really have to spin it. So now it's stopped. But this is what's really cool about this experiment. You get to experiment a lot with it. So try different rotations, try different speeds. Oh, you see the funnel forming? Oh, and now it's a little bubbly. See, that means I did not spin it enough. We got a little baby one there. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna do one more for you, okay? That was not a good one either. Oh, there it goes. Now it's good. Woo! Yeah! So, as you can tell, by me spinning it like maybe faster one time, or harder another time, or longer another time, it all affects how your tornado goes. So, if you can make one of these, go for it, and you can experiment too, and see what kind of tornadoes that you can make.